Want to live in a fabulous neighborhood that's so close to the beach you can hear the waves, or chase a ball down fairways of green? Live in a fabulous upscale lifestyle. This is Old Ponte Vedra, and this is 352 San Juan Drive, truly an exceptional property. You're going to fall in love with the wide open spaces, the abundance of natural light, and the eye-pleasing decor. The family area has a serving center with a wine cooler and dishwasher. Notice the wall of windows, the porcelain wood grain tile floors. This house has it all. The kitchen offers a cooking experience with custom cabinets, Thermador appliances, granite countertops, and an island that seats 6. The master suite features coffered ceilings and a bath with more custom cabinets, sinks, and marble. Enjoy a soak in the large tub or refresh in the glass-enclosed shower. Go up the stairs to a landing that takes you to the family area. This home is deceptively large with 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, an office, more than 5,000 square feet, and on a corner lot. Cook in the summer kitchen under the covered lanai. Relax by the pool. Take advantage of the fire pit on cool nights, and enjoy the views of the 5th hole of an immaculate golf course. Enjoy blue skies, a cool ocean breeze, and a nearly private beach all just down the road. .352 San Juan Drive is in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in Ponte Vedra Beach. The Inn Club, the ocean, just 4 blocks away. What more could you ask for? Call Kim Martin Fisher or Jennifer Martin Faulkner for more information or appointments.